Hello everyone and welcome to a huge Christmas unboxing from EMK. Today we are looking at each and every release from the New Zealand Mint. Of course, just these special book Christmas tree decoration releases. We're going to start off with the latest in this edition. You'll see that they all come in these book formats, and this year they have added Marvel to the mix. This is the Season's Greeting coin with the Marvel theme from the New Zealand Mint. Straight away, when you open this book, you are blasted with these festive, cool colors. It looks really, really great. And just like every other edition that's come before, you do get it in this special Christmas tree decoration capsule. And the coin itself is so fun and festive, and definitely a standout Christmas piece for a fan of the Marvel series. Now, I should mention that the certificate of authenticity is also in the inside of this booklet, but let's get into the coin itself. We'll take it out of the capsule there and just lay that there and take an extra close look at this piece. Now, I'm pretty excited about this because it's the first time that they've done Marvel for Christmas. And I have to say, I love these coins from the New Zealand Mint because they just have some fun with it. Santa's Super Helpers is such just a fun slogan for this piece. So up top there, you can see the iconic Avengers A. This is a $2 coin done for the Republic of Niue, and of course it is struck in 2023. You've got that lovely mirror finish there on the coin. I love how they've incorporated so many iconic characters from the Avengers, and the colouring is so nicely done on that piece. Well done to the New Zealand Mint. And again, this year, for those Harry Potter fans, you will not be disappointed. There is a new Christmas tree decoration coin here. Again, certificate of authenticity is inside the booklet. Love this sort of darker theme in the inside of this booklet. And again, there is our Christmas deco piece. We'll just move that book to the side and get a closer look at this coin. One of the best things about these capsules is they're very easy to open. So if you do want to store your coins in a different way, it's very easy to get them out and have a closer look at them. I think this piece has been done a bit more delicately. I have to say I really like those subtle snowflakes surrounding the Hogwarts castle there. And this slogan is also fun. I'd rather be at Hogwarts this Christmas. Definitely a bit sweet for all of those Harry Potter fans. Now, just like the Avengers coin, this is a 1 ounce silver piece. And of course, you've got the licensing down the bottom there. In this case, it is licensed to Wizarding World. And once more, it is a worth of $2. Republic of Niue, struck in 2023. So it's a great way to celebrate Christmas for the year 2023. And the colouring, once again, has been very nicely done by the New Zealand Mint. Just stunning. Next up, Star Wars fans, you have not been forgotten, particularly those fans of The Mandalorian. This year does not disappoint. We've got Baby Yoda there. Yes, I know technically it's not Baby Yoda, but come on, let's have a little bit of fun. It is so cute. Up to Snow Good. Now, I'm a big fan of puns, and that one does not disappoint. I really enjoy the fun that's gone into all of these products. Just this cute little guy here on this coin. Let's get a bit closer. Taking him out of this special Christmas capsule. Just move that to the side. And let's take a look. The best things come in small packages, and that is just so sweet. Look at this little guy. What a cutie. What a cutie. Now again, it is a 1 ounce silver coin. And this time round, you've got Lucasfilm licensing there. Just a really fun piece. Not so serious for the Star Wars Mandalorian fans. Just a little bit of fun and something so sweet. Now, I don't want to repeat myself, but I will. $2 once again, Republic of Nui, and it's struck this year, 2023. And it's just something very, very cute for those Star Wars fans. Last but not least, Just Be Merry. Let's get a little bit festive, folks. It is the Disney Season's Greetings coin. Love the colouring of this piece inside the booklet as well. It's not so much those bright reds or blues or oranges. It's just really calm this year for Mickey's addition to the Christmas coins, which I find just a nice change. Just a nice change. So let's get a look at this one. Here we have Minnie and Mickey together riding on a reindeer. Endless joy. Who can disagree with that? They do look like they're having a good time. For the last time in this video, $2, Republic of Nui 2023. And of course, this is also a 1 ounce silver piece with Disney licensing there. And all three of those animals, of course, the 2 mice and the reindeer, look like they're having a lovely time. And it is indeed endless joy. Very, very nice. The best thing about these coins, I think, it's a great way to commemorate this year, celebrate Christmas, and if you're looking to give someone a gift to maybe entice them into coin collecting, I think this is a really good way to do so. But it's also just a fun, sweet little gift idea. The really fun thing about all of these coins is the mintage. There are 2,023 pieces from each of these editions. So there we are, all 4 of the Season's Greetings Christmas coins that come in these special decoration capsules. Christmas tree decorations, of course. Which one's your favorite? They are all available here on our website. That's www.emk.com.